Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. And today's video we have given a question: k plus 9 squared equals to 48. Let's provide a solution very quickly. And here, of course, the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have here bracket of k plus 9 squared, which is equal to 49. Right here, then k plus 9 squared, and we're going to move this one. Minus 49 equals to 0. Then here, k plus 9 squared minus this 49 can be 7 squared, which is equal to 0. Then of course these are difference of two squares, where we have k plus 9 minus 7 times k plus 9 plus 7 will be 0. And then k here plus 2 times k plus 16 will be 0. And of course here k plus 2 will be 0, or k plus 16 will be 0. Here we have k, which is equal to negative 2, and here we have k, which is equal to negative 16. And we shall try to check our question if this, our solution, if it is correct. We have k here plus 9 squared, which is equal to 49 here, and of course this is negative 2 plus 9 squared, which is equal to 49, and we shall get 7 squared, which is equal to 49, and of course 7 squared is equal to 49, which is equal to 49, to mean that this value is correct. What about here? Of course you have k plus 9 squared, which is equal to 49, right? And here of course you have negative 16 plus 9 squared, which is equal to 49, and this is 7 squared, which is equal to 49, and of course this is 49, which is equal to 49. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, and of course this value is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.